Hello friends, how are you guys? I hope you all are well and safe. Today I'm going to show you how to download a free downloadable website and also a free video editor where you can download free video editor and export them. So let's get started. Go to the Google Chrome first. Type Openshot. Now click on it. It looks good. I have to download the Windows one. I'm going to download. You see the Windows one. I'm going to download one. I'm downloading free download manager. It's a fast and free downloadable manager. um, I have a video on my channel how to download it. I suggest you to do it because if you do this will be download more faster than ever. And this also works for very big files or very big games and stuff. I'm waiting for the download. After download, we're gonna show you how to install, and after install we're gonna also show you how to work with that. As you see, we're 100% done. I'm going to the downloads. I'm going to the Openshot and double click on it. Yes, I'm accepting the agreements. desktop shortcut should be, because we have to use it. These files will take quite a few minutes for the downloads. You see, I'm already finished because I already have a desktop shortcut. Finish. Now I'm going to enter on it. You see the surface. If you want to know how to use it, there's two options. This is the regular surface. Let's say I'm a view, right? Go to the views, go to advanced view. You see, there's advanced view. And if I go to the views and go to simple views, there's a simple views. I suggest you to use the simple views. And there's another way. There's a tutorial. If you saw the tutorial, yes, next, next, next. You see, and you can, if you do the plus one, it can go to the less sum, and if you want to pick one, it can gap have 15 seconds. It depends on how can you use it or not. And there's export options. You see, you have to choose the folder and export video. And last one, import files. You can import any files, and I suggest you to, before do anything with that, save the project, because if anything happened to the computer, it's gonna help you. So that's all for the today's video, and please like, share and subscribe, and also comment below so we can give you more updates, and also we can give you more contents.